Everyone can celebrate Halloween. You know, why I criticize your attitude? Because your attitude is always like that. You are a bully. If I want to demand Joannes Impact, Joannes Angelo Impact, I suggest to you, you need to block Shania Kiana in Instagram, TikTok, or all over in a social media platform. Just block her. Even John Paul Enriquez, so I suggest to him, block Shania Kiana. Oh, you know, that person has no feel ashamed. Okay, let's continue it. You know, she has no very shame to celebrate Halloween. Oh, Shania Kiana, is this a very kind person that you are a born again Christian to oppose Halloween? Like me, I didn't oppose Halloween. Halloween is a celebration for those kids, even young adults. Oh, look at in South Korea, Shania Kiana. Oh, they are celebrating Halloween. Oh, in the US, even in Japan, they celebrate Halloween. Even in Germany, oh, even in Russia, oh, they celebrate Halloween. Even other countries can celebrate Halloween as well. Because you know, October, there is Halloween. It's a showing of lost soul of your loved ones. But those two imbeciles, like who oppose Halloween, like Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz and Shania Kiana, they are opposing Halloween. Don't you even know Halloween is celebrating for the lost soul of the loved ones? For Christians, Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and even Jewish as well, Judaism, oh, and other religion. Oh, in Shintoism, they celebrate Halloween. Halloween is not to be opposed. Halloween is a celebration. It's a celebrating for kids who say trick or treat. Look at in Iran, look at in Malaysia, in Indonesia. Oh, they celebrate Halloween. Look at in other countries, in Lebanon, oh, they celebrate Halloween. You should not oppose Halloween. Shania Kiana. You know, Shania Kiana, you're causing lots of trouble. You're blaming J. Rick Silva, and you're opposing Halloween. What is the problem that you want to celebrate Halloween? Even Luis Cabales, oh, you celebrate Halloween if he's a Catholic. Oh, you see in outside, in the house, my parents, oh, they bought candies. They gave it trick or treat for Halloween. Oh, yeah, Halloween is not to be opposed. Look at me, Shania Kiana. Oh, when I wear costume in Halloween and I post it in TikTok. Oh, that Halloween costume, that my mask. Would you able to oppose that I wear a costume? Do you even oppose at my friend Alexis Percala that she is wearing Halloween costume? My schoolmate in CDIFI? Or do you really want to oppose everyone that they are wearing costume? This is hard to say, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz and Shania Kiana. You don't have a moral respect to the lost soul. Everyone can celebrate Halloween. John Mendoza, he likes Halloween because Kuya Julio says he likes Halloween. Oh, why does John Mendoza like Halloween? John Mendoza, I remember he was a cerebral palsy. He likes Halloween. Oh, but Jens Manayed likes Halloween too. My best friend. Oh, Jens. But you, Shania Kiana, and Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, both of you are manipulative. You're opposing Halloween. That's a better for Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz and Shania Kiana. Their costume anyway, taong grasa. That's a better for costume at them, Shania Kiana and also Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. Taong grasa. Oh. That's a better Halloween costume to both of you. Because both of you are opposing Halloween. Oh. Even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher Evelyn Caca, including Gina Sergio, Jeffrey Asedio, and G. Macasandil, and Paulo Cruzada. Oh, they're opposing Halloween. Us, we're not opposing Halloween. Halloween is a celebration. Me, when I call 700 Club Asia, some Christians, they don't celebrate Halloween. Oh, I respect their belief. But you, Shania Kiana and Mark Cruz, both of you should be ashamed. Last year, both of you are shameless for opposing Halloween. Like for you, Shania Kiana, last year, you opposed those candidates of Miss Earth 2025 that they are wearing Halloween costume. You don't really give a shame to those candidates. And even not that, you oppose all those students from CDIFI. You're opposing at Ate Dina and Ate Rona that they have a preparation for Halloween party in CDIFI. Oh. There was Teacher Freddy May Masalabsilos, right? And even Ate Rona as well. Oh. But there's Teacher Marisa. Oh. Why did you oppose sa Halloween? Shania Kiana. You don't really give them a shame to those people. You don't really give a shame to those students that they're celebrating Halloween in CDIFI. Huh? Shania Kiana, I say to you, you're not my good friend. You are manipulative, same as Mark Cruz. You know, Shania Kiana, you're the one who ruined that Jerick Silva's girlfriend. That she went from hospital. Like I was told by Jerick Silva, he said to me, kasalanan mo talaga yan, Shania Kiana. Ikaw pala na pasimuno ito, like what you are messing at the first place. You're messing at Jerick Silva. Jerick Silva and his girlfriend got angry at you because of you're forcing Lily to adopt as a adoptive daughter. Your cousin's parents didn't accepted it. They did not allow to adopt Lily because of you, Shania Kiana. I want to adopt RM. Oh, that was a kid, the son of Ate Mayang. I asked Ate Mayang, I want to tell to RM to be adoptive to Jerick Silva. Oh. But Jerick Silva, decline, okay lang yon. Hindi ko i-adapt yan CRM. O, okay lang yon. No? Like Jerick Silva said. So, Shania Kiana, your attitude anyway is always like that. You're intervening everyone. Even the fight of me and Jima Casandil, even Teacher May Tiburcio, that me and Joseph Maspinas, we are angry at them, that they are my enemies. And then you intervene our problem. Me and Joseph Maspinas because of you, Shania Kiana. Not even just that. You're intervening our problem. Me and Felix Sabines. Over at Best Pills. Arnel Guerrera Castillo and Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano. Oh. You're intervening our problem. Before I reconcile with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, and Harbatera, Victor Martin Soriano, that we're not actually enemies, that we are friends, we're not enemies, bati na kami ni Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo, hindi kami magkaaway, and then you said it before, you are intervening our problems. And you're the one who intervened my problem about me and Wawel Romero that we are enemies over at Jerick Silva's problems. You're the one who's responsible. I asked Wawel Romero's big sister. I said to her, you can block Shania Kiana in Facebook, even in Instagram, even in TikTok. Shania Kiana is manipulative. For me, I just say to you, Wawel Romero, as I'm a former schoolmate in CDIFI, i-block mo na lang yan si Shania Kiana sa TikTok mo or sa Facebook at sa Instagram, i-block mo siya like I said. She is really manipulative. However, if she is manipulative, that person has no morality. Shania Kiana, I say to you, how did you learn about your attitude like that? Being as yourself manipulative. I was told by Jerick Silva, manipulador ka pala, Shania Kiana. Because you're forcing Lily to adopt as a adoptive daughter to Jerick Silva's girlfriend. Your cousin's parents, they did not allow. They did not accepted it. You're the one who ruined my life, Shania Kiana. That's why me and Ira Yap, that we break up each other in Facebook. Because we are enemies at the time. She cursed me a bad word. I label her as an Israeli Mossad, just like Mark Domingo Quason Cruz. She cursed me a bad word, a PI. You should blame yourself, Shania Kiana. I say to Ira Yap, even one of her colleagues who were flight attendant in the Philippine Airlines, don't listen to that imbecile, Shania Kiana. She's manipulative. Even Joseph Maspinas, live-in partner. You are messaging his live-in partner, you confronted at her. Shania Kiana, if I were you, kasalanan mo talaga yan, like I said. You have no friends. This is why Ronald Rebena distrusted you, because your attitude is always like that. Ganyan ka talaga ang ugali mo, Shania Kiana. Napakawalang ya, like I said. Shania Kiana, when you were in Zoom meeting, me and Patrick Quezon, when we talk each other last 2023, or 2022. You always batin at Patrick Quezon that we are talking to him. You're the one who's responsible. Oh. And then you're repeating about that I made the fake account of Ate Dina, that I apologize Ate Dina Guillermo. Shania Kiana, why can't you just quiet yourself that I've been already settled with Ate Dina. I already reconciled with Ate Dina Guillermo that I remove her in my enemy list. You know, Shania Kiana, your problem anyway because of your adoptive daughter, Lily, who wants to adopt Jerick Silvas as another parents, even his girlfriend. Your cousin is a responsibility, even your cousin's parents. Oh. You're the one who's manipulative, Shania Kiana. Why Patrick Quezon curse you an F word? Oh. At F-U-C-K. Oh, I never say that bad words from Mark Cruz. Oh. Because, you know, you are manipulative. You know, you're very stubborn, Shania Kiana. You're not listening to your parents. You're using a dating app last year. Me and Jerick Silva, we are warning at you. You didn't listen. You're using a dating app. You're talking to strangers. This is why your Facebook account got hacked. Aside if you blame Paulo Cruzada, that my arch enemy, the strangers using your Facebook account. This is why you add the people or you talk to the people in dating app, even in Facebook, that they didn't really know you. Oh. Don't you remember, Shania Kiana? I've been talk with that from one more last time. When I heard that from the lesson from my former teacher in CDIFI, Teacher May Tiburcio, she said to me that you should not add the strangers, don't add the strangers in Facebook. Or what that she said before, wag mo i-add nang hindi mo sila kilala. Oh, don't add people that you didn't even know. You are stubborn. You're adding people that you don't know. What if your grandmother since your friend list? Oh, who's that person anyway? Oh, your Lola is asking to you. You're adding strangers in Facebook. Shania Kiana, you don't really know who they are. Oh. And then, after that, you're the one who blame at Jerick Silva's girlfriend. Oh, you don't really how to say thank you. Oh. Shania Kiana, you're so evil. You're so manipulative. You don't really how to cakes to Jerick Silva that his girlfriend that created you a Facebook account.